Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today, I am going to show you how to sublimate and print and cut on adhesive vinyl. All right. So here I have this print and cut, which you can use anything. So I'm going to take this off and delete it because I'm going to do half of it in white vinyl and half of it in clear or transparent vinyl. All right, and you can find the adhesive vinyl on our website. You would get the 12-inch 5-foot, white or black would be $3.50. The colors are $3.75. I'll list everything in the video for you. All right, so here I have this so I want to go ahead and trace it, and I'm going to remove that white background. Okay, so waiting for there's my little, okay, so now I can come over here to my threshold, and I am going to pull this basically about there is good, which remember your sublimation is not going to print white. So I'm going to go ahead and trace and detach. All right, so now I can click on that and delete it. All right, that just wanted to follow me over there. So now that I have these separated, I can move them around, and I can show you that whenever I go get ready, I can do send, and you will see the outline. All right. So I'm going to, all right, and I'm going to go ahead and line these up or move these up, and then I'm going to show you a extra setting, which these are butterflies, so I don't really have to mirror these. But the key to this is whenever you print this out and you're going to want to mirror it. So that way when your registration marks, whenever it prints, it's going to be over here. So that way whenever you sublimate on the adhesive vinyl, the registration marks are going to be on the right side. Okay? So I'm going to show you right over here that they're all in a good cut file. Okay. And then I am going to, let me show you how you can get your registration marks bigger if you needed to. All right. So you're going to come over here, and this is your page. This is for your grid. And then this is for your registration marks. Okay. I have found that if you go in and click this and you move all of these over so you can watch how big this gets, except the bottom. Every time I've done it with the bottom, I've had issues. So I just leave the bottom alone. That way, if you want it like that, and then you can go over here to your bleed line, and you can select that a little bit bigger if you needed to. All right. And then I'm going to go to Control P. All right. And I will print these out, and then we will go to the pressing. Use this little line right here. But now we are going to Control P, and I am going to show you because I have this linked to my Sawgrass print manager. I'm going to show you how I go over here. So instead of going to my Sawgrass like I usually do, I'm going to come over here to my Sawgrass print manager because it's not going to reverse these registration marks unless I go over there. If I print it like this, it's going to print it, but it won't print it with the registration marks. So I'm going to come over here. I have all that. Okay. So now I'm going to apply and I'm going to press print. Okay. So now my print manager comes up and I want to make sure that I have mirrored over here. Okay. So now I'm just going to press print and I will meet you over at the table. All right.